So, what is up, guys? This isn't a mic, it's just a slap band. But chat, we are here today to discuss the rest of this. And as you can see, we already put it back together to basically just put it all into perspective. I don't know why I'm using this. Maybe I just need to attach a mic. Comment down below if you want to see me attach a mic to this and use slap bands as microphones. You know what? We're gonna switch. So basically, just to give you guys an update, as you can see, I already finished. We actually got that strip bolt off. We put new ISR arms, as well as the axle spacers, and all the brakes have been bled. So yeah, now that we got all of that taken care of, the headliner's on, the brakes are now done. Now literally all this car needs is some wheels, a hood, and a front bumper. Then we can talk about wrap and all the other stuff. So now that our yank stick is yankable.
What do you mean by that?
What do you guys think we should do next with this car? I mean, I could spice it up, but I really want to drive this thing, so wheels are on the agenda. Since I am at the shop today and I have a few hours to kill before I have to go get coal, I figured this would be a great time to tackle another project we have going on here. And before anybody tries to come at me and say, Arkel, you need to focus on one thing at a time, listen, the ADHD in me will not just let that happen. But realistically with this car, I don't really have much else I need to accomplish with it. It's more so a matter of tightening up the rest of it before I decide what I'm gonna do, whether that's paint or wrap. So yeah, just chilling. But since I caught you looking, why don't we go show you what our next assignment is? And so, because I have some time to kill, the shop's a little bit of a mess. You're just gonna hang out with me and clean. So I'm just gonna throw some music on, vibe out. But yeah, if this is a kind of style of video that you would like to see more often, maybe while building projects even, let me know. I would love to do something like this too. Sometimes some of the best videos are those like ASMR ones where it's just low-key just vibes, or when you're watching drifting or whatever you're into, like the cooking or things like that, you know, background music or background TV, if you will. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Thanks.
Part of the reason that I can handle this damn pain. I'm fucking numb to the lonely heart of the drummer boy who rather wreak havoc than playing around with a Tonka toy. Shit, my mirror ain't been clearer lately. I see my mind becoming blind, material mistaken. Heart indulging in the things that are forever broken. I seen a father lose his son while life's so fucking hopeless.
Pacing back and forth, waiting till they pass the torch. Life a bitch about 40 and a sad divorce. Voice is hoarse, getting harder to speak. Remarkable themes, talk a mark of the beast. I saw them caught in a leash, we walking, common to sleep and coffins. Talking to Stephen Hawking, evil, we see it often. So we close our eyes, hoping we forgot to die. Shit, it must have slipped my mind. Why?
Yeah, sipping lean slow. Any, many, money, more. I fucked up, but she still staying. I can't let her go, no, I can't let her go. Yeah, sipping lean slow. Sometimes it gets hard to handle. Like, oh no, here we go, here we go. I'm in my favorite place, but I feel out of place still. Running out of options, screaming, oh Lord Jesus, take the wheel. If they kill all of my plugs, cause what if they lace the pill? I'll be another legend falling like little people.